In today's video, we're reviewing CodeDesign AI to see if it's really the best AI website builder for beginners. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever wanted to build a website but felt stuck because you didn't know code or didn't want a huge learning curve, this is going to help you decide if this tool is a good fit for you. We're going to walk through what the tool actually does, who it's good for, and whether it's actually worth trying or not. Let's get into it. So first off, what is CodeDesign AI? CodeDesign AI is an AI-powered website builder designed to let you create a website without needing to do heavy tech work or deep design skills. Here's how it works. You essentially tell it what kind of website you want, say a personal brand landing page, an online portfolio, or a small business site. You describe who your audience is and what you want them to do, maybe sign up, purchase, book a call, and then the tool generates your site structure, design, and even some content for you. So instead of starting with a blank canvas and dragging blocks around or wrestling with code, you get something ready to edit. You then refine it to meet your needs. So you can swap images, change copy, adjust colors, add logos, etc. But the foundation is already built for you. It's built for people who don't want to learn HTML, CSS, or design from scratch. Maybe you're a creator, small business owner, freelancer, or someone who needs a clean website fast without going through a dozen plugins or hiring a developer. The point is that they lower the barrier to entry to getting online and just make it so much less intimidating for you to get a professional looking site up without the usual tech headache. Now, let's dive a little bit deeper into the key features of CodeDesign AI. Understanding each part is going to help you see if it matches how you like to work. Number one is the AI website generation from prompts. The first big feature is the ability to generate your site by simply entering prompts. And then CodeDesign AI builds the layout, navigation menu, hero section, about section, features and services, FAQs, and contact form, etc. Number two is the drag and edit interface. Once you have your base site, you can change everything visually. Move sections, change images, rewrite text, change colors, adjust spacing. The interface works like a visual builder. Think, click this block, change this image, but with the benefit that your site already looked really good before you even started. Number three is built-in copywriting assistance. Another really cool feature of CodeDesign is it offers copy or text suggestions for you, like headlines for a hero section, features/benefits section, the about me page copy, call to action buttons, and so much more. Writing website copy from scratch can honestly be really hard, honestly harder than the design, and this gives you the head start and helps avoid slowdowns. Number four is SEO and page structure guidance. So the tool also prompts you to use proper headings like H1, H2, meta text, alt text for images, and correct structural layout. For beginners especially, it's easy to build a site that looks nice but is invisible to Google or poorly structured for visitors. But having the AI help you structure things correctly is such a solid bonus. You still want to add your niche keywords and unique content, but you're less likely to mess up the basics. Number five is responsive design built in. So every site created is mobile friendly out of the box. You've probably used builders where the mobile version looks a little wonky or you even need a separate setup, but CodeDesign handles all of that. That means one less technical worry. Visitors on phones get a clean experience without you having to learn media queries or mobile hacks. Number six is publishing and export options. When you're happy, you can publish directly. Some platforms allow you to export code or move to another host if you want later. This just gives you that flexibility. You're not totally locked into one platform forever. If at some point you do want to migrate to WordPress or Webflow, you have options. It just keeps your future open. Number seven is reusable templates and brand consistency. So if you like consistency, maybe you have multiple niches or want a sister site later, you can actually reuse templates, copy sections, and maintain brand elements across pages. That means once you build your brand feel like colors, fonts, and tones, you don't start from scratch every time you need a new site. And then it just becomes faster over time. Okay, now let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. If you want to get started with CodeDesign AI, use our exclusive link down in the description below. Here you can start generating a website for free. So they have a couple different plans here right now. If you pay yearly, you can actually save up to 80% off. So I'm going to go through those just so you know how to get the best price possible. So they've got the portfolio plan, which is $7 per month, saving you 76%. With this, you get one portfolio website unlimited pages, 100 contacts, 1,000 visitors a month, payment integration, regular support, and then limited AI credits. Then we've got the individual plan, which is just $12 per month per site. And this is 70% off. You get one website and one funnel, unlimited pages, more contacts, more visitors, payment integration, and regular support. Then they've got the growth plan, which is $24 per month per site, which is giving you 66% off. With this, you get everything in the individual plan. You get 5 collaborators, more contacts, more visitors. You also get version history as well as premium support and free 200 AI chatbot credits, and then 1 year free domain with the annual billing. And lastly is the agency plans. So this is $83 per month per site, and this is the best deal you can get, which is 80% off. You get 100 websites, 100 funnels, 10 collaborators, unlimited pages, 100,000 contacts. So everything is pretty much upgraded. If you want to try it out for free, you actually can go ahead and use our link down below to check it out to see if it's a good fit for you. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some of the pros and cons so you can decide if this is a good fit for you. So one major advantage is how fast you can move from idea to live site. If you've been stuck wanting a website but avoiding it because of tech or design fear, this really does remove that barrier. Another big plus is that you don't need to be a designer or a developer. The drag and drop edit interface plus built-in copy means you're not juggling 10 different tools. The mobile responsiveness and SEO structure mean you're way less likely to build something that breaks or is invisible to search engines. And finally, the reusable template / brand consistency feature is a long-term benefit if you build more than one site or if you update your site often. Now for the cons. So the tool doesn't replace a full custom design if you need extremely unique animations or complex backend logic or specialized e-commerce features. If you are a power developer and want full control, you're probably going to hit limitations. Also, while the AI gives you a scaffold, you still need to do the editing, right? If you accept everything as is, your site might feel generic or kind of just off the shelf. Spending time to personalize is very, very important. And finally, you still need to build traffic and content. A website by itself doesn't get visitors. You'll do the marketing and the content work. The tool just helps you build the website faster, but you still need to fill it with value. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to touch on a couple of bonus tips so you can get the most out of it. So first off, have a clear goal for your website before you generate. Before you ask the AI to build your site, you'll get better results if you're very clear on my site is for booking coaching calls or my site is a portfolio so clients contact me. That clarity makes the layout, the sections, and the calls to action buttons much stronger. Number 2 is to gather your brand assets early. If you already have your logo, brand colors, approximate headline text, and maybe a few photos, then when the AI builds your site, you'll feel like you actually own it. If you wait until after you build, you'll end up having to redesign. So having assets early lets you finish quicker. Number 3 is to edit the layout first and then refine your content. So save your editing of copy and images for after you're happy with the general structure. First, lock in pages, sections like home, about, features, contact, then tweak each block. This keeps you moving instead of stuck in details early on. And lastly, keep your prompts simple and clear. When you tell the AI what you want, use short sentences like create a clean startup landing page for a web designer, tone friendly, goal book consultations. Clear inputs make outputs so much better. So is CodeDesign AI for you? If you're new to website building or you've built a few sites and found it super slow, or maybe you're just starting a side hustle and you want a site that works without reinventing the wheel, then yes, absolutely. CodeDesign AI is definitely worth checking out. If you like the idea of focusing on content or business instead of design and code, this fits very, very nicely. You'll launch your website fast and it'll look really, really good, and then you'll be able to refine it over time. If, on the other hand, you're already building custom sites and you know your way around code, you need very specialized features, or you want 100% creative freedom, then you're probably going to prefer a more traditional builder where you start blank and design your own logic. But for most beginners, creators, coaches, freelancers, and small business owners who want to get online and look good without the stress, this is such a strong contender. Building a website doesn't have to be scary or overwhelming. With AI tools like CodeDesign, you don't have to wrestle with templates, plugins, or code lines. You can focus on your message, your brand, and your visitors' experience. If you want to check out CodeDesign and design a website for free, go ahead and use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free reviews just like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you learn AI tools simply so you can create, build, and work smarter without the tech stress. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.